Hey wait, before the video starts, it has come to my attention that 53% of my viewers are not even subscribed. Come on, hit that big red button to join the wolf pack. Okay, bye bye. Hello, it's me again, text-to-speech boy. First of all, I imported the reference image. It's important to work with one, otherwise your final render will be out of proportion, or just not how you want it to look. I then scaled my camera using the resolution scales in the right toolbar. I do this so that I can easily arrange the models using the reference image. Also, never touch the ratio sliders below, unless want an ice pack and 2 tons of headache pills when you realize that your final render is stretched like an elastic band around an elephant. Just don't do it. I then began work modeling the items on the table. I need a table first. I swear I know how to write scripts. I then modeled a table as fast as I would run if I saw Titanfall 3 at the end of a 300-meter sprint. Pretty speedy. I did not bother to get reference images for these, since it would take me a year to make this video if I did. Anyway, enough procrastination talk. I eyed the dimensions and basic shapes from the reference image and threw them on the table. I then made some prototype chairs in 3 seconds to help me composite my render and to motivate myself to keep making this video. And believe me, if I didn't have subscribers, I would be asleep right now. It is currently midnight, but I must make content. Wait, why did I put random spheres where the plant leaves go? Probably composition guides or something. Past Ryan is strange sometimes. I finally decided to model the chairs in more detail. Enjoy the time lapse and consider subscribing. Sweet, now we have chairs. I then did some more composition because I am indecisive. Then began work on the invisible force fields we call glass. I then threw together a plant pot, all speedy like, and then modeled a skeleton of the plant. So we are pretty much done with basic modeling. Next video I will go through texturing. Thanks for watching.